Hey guys, it's been a while since my last review, so enjoy! Today we're checking out the Bluedio T2 Plus Bluetooth on-ear headphones. To kick things off, let me tell you that this is my second pair of Bluedio headphones. It's not that I fully enjoyed my first pair, so I bought the upgraded version. No, not at all. In fact, my Bluedio 8 Plus pair broke a few days after my review on them. Though I was not completely satisfied with them in terms of durability, I thoroughly relished the sound of them. So here I am with my pair of the Bluedio T2 Plus headphones. First things first, the reason why I have hope that this pair will last a bit longer than my former Bluedio headphones is because they are foldable. And when they are folded, they are better protected by any type of abuse. Since I can only really evaluate their durability in the long run, let's get on with their features. First and foremost, they are wireless due to the Bluetooth version 4.1 chip in them. Because of this, you can continue listening to them up to a distance of 10 meters. Besides Bluetooth connectivity, the Bluedio T2 Plus offers built-in FM radio listening and a volume rocker which can be used to change tracks and pause and play as well. One thing that I'm really fond of regarding this particular pair of headphones is their battery life, which is 40 hours of continuous listening. And I can confirm that, since I use them every night for about 2 hours and I only charge them once every month. Speaking of charging, in order to juice up your headphones you will need a micro USB cable which is included, and to be honest lowers the headphones price. One thing to mention before evaluating the listening experience is the comfort that these headphones can provide, which is really somewhat average since they are not particularly annoying or tiring but can certainly become after 3 to 4 hours of listening. Last but not least, the listening experience on these headphones is pretty solid, with the highs and mids being excellent and the bass being average, which is something to be expected in this price range. Speaking of their price range, you can currently find these headphones for less than $40 on GearBest. I would advise you to wait for a flash sale which could lower the price to even $25. If they're a solid deal at $40, they are still at $25. Thank you for watching the full review of the Bluedio T2 Plus headphones. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.